It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's pandemic survival kitchen episode, I'm super excited to do my no-bake PB&J Granola Bars. This is a quick, easy, and fun little recipe to put together. Don't forget to check out Chef Matt over at Kitchen Instruments for his collab. Of course, I'll go ahead and put his link in the description box again for you guys. So let's go over the ingredients so we can get started. So you guys are gonna need some creamy peanut butter. You guys are gonna need your choice of jelly or jam. You guys are gonna need some vanilla, some honey. You guys are gonna need some butter, salt, and sugar. You're gonna need some rolled oats, of course. And you're gonna need some peanuts. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to make Rexy's PB&J Granola Bars. So let's go have some fun, guys. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make the caramel sauce. You guys can do it on the stove if you'd like, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it in the microwave. It's just quicker and easy, and this is gonna be an easy no-bake recipe, so we're not gonna use the stove or the oven. To this is a half a cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of honey. And I'm going to do 1/4 of a cup of butter, which is half a stick. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in the microwave and go ahead and melt this. Okay guys, so I went ahead and took the caramel out of the microwave. Go ahead and give that a nice mix. Alright, and to this we are going to put in a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to do a half a teaspoon of vanilla. Or more. You never have too much vanilla, I say. I always say. Give that a nice mix. Okay guys, so this is going to be the base of our granolas. And the possibilities are endless as to the granolas that you guys want to make. All you need to know is the base of the granolas, and then you guys can do whatever toppings and ingredients you guys want. You guys can do trail mix granolas, chocolate chip granolas, peanut granolas, coconut granolas. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. That looks great. Okay, so again, this is your base, okay? But we're doing peanut butter and jelly. So at this point, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put in 1/3 cup of peanut butter. And I don't usually measure, but I'm gonna go ahead and measure the best I can for you guys today. That looks about right. And we're going to go ahead and put that in there while it's nice and warm, and so that'll melt nice. This is some sticky situation we got ourselves in, guys. Am I right? Go ahead and put it in here now so I can mix it. Alright, now we can go ahead and mix that. Incorporate all that goodness and stickiness and peanut butter. And it smells so good already, guys. And then we're going to add our old-fashioned oats. Alright, we're going to do 2 cups of the oats. Put that in there as well. I'm going to use a wooden spoon. Flinging oats everywhere. Alright, we're going to give that a nice mix, incorporate all that together. Perfect. Alright, what I have over here is just a pan that I lined with some parchment paper. A little trick, put a little butter or spray pan underneath, and it'll stick, the parchment paper will stick to the pan and not lift. And then I just have a little spatula here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up, and I'll bring you guys back and we'll work on the next step. Okay guys, so here is our granola mix, okay? And then what I have here is I just got some peanuts, and I just put them in my food processor and crushed them all, chopped them all. Okay, so in this mix, we're gonna put a little bit of these peanuts in here. Maybe half. Give it a nice mix. Put that aside. I'm gonna bring in the pan over here. And you're gonna take your mixture and just put it in the pan. All right, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna press it down. Because we want it somewhat even. I probably could have used a smaller pan, but that's okay. Kind of even it out in the pan. You guys can make them as thick as you guys want. I'm going to make these a little thinner. That looks about right. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to take your jelly, whatever jelly you guys prefer. I like grape. Most of my family likes grape. Give it a little shake. And you're going to put it right on top. You know me and squeezy bottles. And you're just going to put it all on the top like this. However much you guys want. There's no science to the jelly, whatever you guys want. Just spread it. Spread the love. And this is a really fun little project you guys can do with the kids. Especially while they're home right now. Looks beautiful. Then you're going to take the rest of your peanuts and you're going to sprinkle it right on top. Just like that. And it smells so good in here, guys. My kitchen literally smells like peanut butter and jelly. However much you guys want to put. And that's it, guys. That's how quick and easy these PB&J granola bars are. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the refrigerator. Again, probably about 2 hours, if not longer, but at least 2 hours. Okay, guys, so after about an hour, take your granola bars out of the refrigerator and just drizzle it a little bit of honey right on top of the granola bars, okay? Just a little bit, just a little drizzle. And then we're gonna go ahead and pop them back in the refrigerator for the remaining hour, if not more. So, we'll be back, guys. All right, guys, my granolas are done. Dun, dun, dun. Let me go ahead and show you these bad boys, or girls. They smell delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Beautiful. You guys can make them into squares, you can make them into bars, whatever you guys want to do. I'm just going to go ahead and cut them into little bars. And they're nice and set. They've been in the refrigerator probably 2.5 hours. You can make them as big or as little as you want. And I'm going to show you guys before I taste it. See if that zooms in for you guys. Look at that. They smell absolutely delicious. I mean, this is too big, so I'm going to cut a little smaller so I can taste it for you guys. Alright, guys, cheers. These are so good, guys. Wow. These are so good, guys. They taste just like peanut butter and jelly. Like I said, make your base and then do whatever ingredients and toppings you guys want and make the granolas your own. And again, you don't have to bake them, which is even better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'm gonna go give these to some family and friends to enjoy. And until next time, guys, stay healthy, safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter.